Welcome to Crypto Investor Gators. We will be taking a look at elephant money very shortly, but first I wanted to invite you to follow at @CInvestorGators on Twitter and join our Discord. The link for the Discord is here in Twitter, and we will link the Discord in the description box below as well. In the Discord, you can shill your coins, and then the community votes for what coins we make videos on. So first I wanted to take a quick look at Elephant Money's social medias. So they do have a YouTube channel, which you can easily find by searching Elephant Money channel. 1.6K subscribers, and they also have a Twitter, so you can give them a follow at Elephant Status. Now let's just quickly jump right over to CoinMarketCap. And I did just refresh this before I started recording, so a relatively current price is 0.0000003794 of a US dollar. And we will quickly scroll down, and hopefully the all-time chart loads quickly, and it did. So they had an all-time high not too long ago, and it looks like again about 0.60s and 5873, roughly 5892 maybe, somewhere in that range. All right, let's quickly jump over to the Elephant Money website, and we will start taking a look at Elephant Money. So you see here they have Elephant and the Trunk Stampede, 205% APR. And we will get into these here shortly. Again, we'll scroll down slightly more. Elephant Money implements a voluntary, sustainable, and permissionless global economic engine on top of a collection of blue-chip assets, a core rewards token, Elephant, and a stablecoin, Trunk. The Elephant Money protocol is a 100% complete and finished product and provides yield and price appreciation in any market cycle. Benefits. Elephant Money is a permissionless system for economic inclusion and helps its community accumulate wealth through active and passive cash flows. Stable, decentralized finance. Elephant Money is a great way to earn value long-term with Trunk and Elephant. Elephant Money is unstoppable and on-chain. Sustainable yield. On Elephant Money, you can participate in yield and value generation that is generated 100% by community activity. Sleek and responsive. Elephant Money is designed to work well on both desktop and mobile. A sleek, dark theme keeps you in the zone. Winning. Personally, I think I would have put #winning there. That's just me. A bank teller production. Play to win and sleep well at night. As always, built with love. So please go ahead and smash that like button, guys and ladies. Now up here we have the menu, links to their Telegram, Medium, Twitter, Linktree, YouTube, Instagram, and Shop. Now first we will take a look at Elephant, Trunk and Stampede, the retired, and these links as well down below. So let's just go ahead and click on Elephant. And here you are able to connect a wallet. I believe it works primarily with a MetaMask wallet. Elephant Money is a future-proof way to compound profits made on Binance Smart Chain. Elephant is our store of value on the Binance Smart Chain. A transaction fee of 10% is charged on all transfers of the Elephant token to create a perpetual community trust. These fees are split evenly between payments to existing holders and locked liquidity. And again, in the corner here we have the chart. There are links to their YouTube for a tutorial, links to the audit, the token address, links on how to buy, token tracker, price and charting links, and the graveyard. And stats. I'm a bit of a stats guy, so I really wanted to take a look at this. But as you can see, it doesn't really look like there's anything to click on, so it does appear that they are still building out the website. The Elephant Mini Guide. Elephant Money's token is a permissionless system for economic inclusion and helps its community accumulate wealth through 10% fees/burns on every transaction. Distribution. A total of 1 quadrillion elephant tokens, 49% tokens sent to the graveyard, 490 trillion tokens, burn address with auto burn, 1% for development/marketing, 25% to contract-owned locked liquidity, 25% to community via liquidity drive. Auto-balancing burn. In most Reflect token platforms, the burn address is passive and grows over time, eating up all the profits. In Elephant, the graveyard is a smart contract that rebalances ownership of the supply to 50% daily as needed. Fees. 10% of every transaction for Elephant Money goes to existing token holders and locked liquidity, split equally 5%. The burn address is treated as just another holder. Lifetime rewards. Elephant Money creates passive income through volatility. Participants enjoy consistent rewards that are resistant to market down cycles. All right. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you will always know when the Crypto Investor Gators release another video or are going live. Now, when you scroll over here, it's just the same things as the home page. And so I think that's... Oh yes, I wanted to read this. This is important. And this is something you hear all the time in crypto or in any type of investing. Please do your own research before using this application. To the greatest extent possible, the Elephant Money protocol has been implemented to be accessible directly on-chain without a user interface. This website and associated APIs have been provided for convenience. Ultimately, you are interacting with no other party other than the blockchain itself and are 100% responsible for your transactions. Please do your own research before interacting with any contract or asset on the blockchain. The Elephant Money community is a decentralized, autonomous organization and is never liable for losses that happen using this user interface or the Elephant Money protocol. So you do hear it all the time. Do your own research. And definitely the crypto investigators are here to help you along the way, presenting information to you that we hope is helpful, but again, we are not financial advisors, so do your own research. Now we will click on the Trunk Stampede, And again, you can connect a wallet here. More things that you cannot click on, which is a little unfortunate. It does feel like they are still building out the website. That is just, I guess, my personal opinion. There are some neat things to look at here, however. Elephant Money Stable Trunk is partially collateralized by BUSD at 75% guaranteed. Trunk passively hardens its collateralization ratio of the remaining 25% on the dollar as the Elephant Money ecosystem grows. And then you can roll and claim. Stampede Perpetual Bonds. And again, more things to scroll through here. Again, you can very easily find this website, elephant.money. If you want to look closer at this, the Herd, a partner network, partners, checker, stats, total airdrops, total partners. And again, below the Stampede Perpetual Bonds, a roll and claim, and Stampede. Let me just scroll down slightly further. Elephant Money Stable is a future-proof way to compound profits made across your portfolio. Lock in your gains. Use the reserve to mint Elephant Money Stable Trunk. A low processing fee of just 1% is charged on minting and redemption of Trunk. Trunk is partially collateralized at a fixed 75% BUSD and 25% Elephant for a floating percentage of the supply. Both collateral assets are securely stored in treasuries. The rest of Trunk supply can be redeemed against an ever-growing Elephant treasury and Trunk/BUSD liquidity pool. The 1% minting processing fee is also used to 100% back Trunk with BUSD in a Pancake liquidity pool. Reward credits are generated on minting and redemption at a rate of 11% and 4% on mint/redemption volume respectively. These credits are distributed to the Trunk staking pool, 10% mint, 2% redeem, and the performance pool, 1% mint, redeem. All pools release funds at 1% a day of their credit balance. The Elephant Treasury and use cases built around it acts as a large, active market participant. This differentiates it from the passive Elephant Graveyard, which also protects the price of Elephant. The Elephant Treasury also receives passive reflection rewards, which assures a collateralization ratio above 1, which is required to fully redeem Elephant at 25% on the dollar, along with the 75% BUSD guaranteed. Asterisk APY is based on daily compounding. So again, a tutorial, a link to their website channel, a link to their audit, a link to the Stampede calculator, and contract, stack, and trunk. So again, it does look like this website still is being built out. Pancake LP, Trunk, BUSD, and a link to Pancake Swap. Insurance, get coverage for smart contract risk from insurance.io. Stats. And again, nothing to click on. However, I believe that will be coming soon if they continue to build the website out. And again, this mini guide, which is when you scroll through it, the same as the other 2 pages that we looked at earlier. And then please do your own research, again, right there. So as I'm scrolling back up, you take a second to hit that subscribe button, smash the like bell, so you never miss an investorgation. Retired. This was interesting to me. These asset pools are end of life. The UI is provided for convenience. However, these asset pools are no longer supported by the platform. We encourage you to join the herd and support Trunk Elephant. Now these, again, will show you the different platforms that have been retired, and these do actually have links. So again, you can go to these and explore these further at your own discretion. And we will just head back to the menu. Now these 3 down here, insurance, CERTIC, solidarity, and white paper, and BSC guide. So I'll tell you quickly, the BSC guide I'm not going to get into. That opens up a guide to MetaMask, which we could possibly get into in another video. These other 4, insurance, CERTIC, solidarity, finance, and white paper, I have already opened those, and what they bring you to is, this is the first one, the insurance. And again, you can just come down. I scroll down to Elephant. There's the Elephant Money one, and you can select it. It comes over here, and I'm sure you can buy insurance on it, if I'm guessing correctly. And we will head over to the next one, which is CERTIC, Elephant Money. Again, a chart, a security score of 89. Please tell me in the comments if that is a good score. It sounds like a good score to me, but possibly anything below 90 isn't a good score. So let me know in the comments what you think of that security score. Or let me know in the comments anything else you would like the crypto investigators to look into. But again, the best way to do that is by joining our Discord and shilling your coins and voting in the community voting process. So again, the token price, very similar to the coin market cap price that we looked at earlier. And the next one is the Solidarity Finance, which gets into the smart contract audit report, which is fairly detailed, as you can see. So again, you can easily click this link open and read through it all yourself. Audit finding summary. No external threats were identified. That's definitely a good thing. Please ensure trust in the team prior to investing, as they have significant control within the ecosystem. Whitelisted addresses have the ability to withdraw funds from the treasuries and mint Trunk at any time. Dated November 11th, 2021. So relatively recent. And again, lots to look at through the Elephant audit report. And then finally is the Elephant Money white paper. And this white paper is 19 pages long. So I am 100% sure you do not want me to read this white paper to you word for word. We can scroll through here and pick out some of the highlights. The Elephant Money Network Store of Value Token, BEP20 on the Binance Smart Chain, that captures value by having the most fair distribution and auto-balancing burn mechanism, and by providing a lifetime of frictionless passive rewards. So I think one of the most interesting things about Elephant Money is the ability for endless passive income. I know most people in crypto are definitely looking to accumulate as much passive income as possible. So let us know in the comments if Elephant Money is something you own or something you would consider owning. And again, this white paper is 19 pages long. You can easily find it from the Elephant Money website, and you can read through the entire 19 pages yourself if you so choose. Again, this is about the Stampede portion of Elephant. The Elephant Money Network's native bonding system that allows players to deposit their trunk and earn a 205% APR, 672% APY from a partially collateralized stablecoin. So those are some pretty impressive numbers for APR and APY. So, Elephant Money, let us know in the comments what you think. Again, please remember to smash the like button and subscribe with the notifications on so you never miss a crypto investorgation and you will know when we go live. Okay. Thanks for watching. Till next time.